So good morning class. Today we will be discussing about the occupational safety and health or OSH hazard here in fishery. So let's proceed to the introduction about the occupational safety and health hazard in the fishery. OSH or occupational safety and health is the science of protecting workers' health, safety, and well-being. So the goal of OSH is to prevent the accident, injuries, sickness, and death at work. Okay? In fishery, OSH is very important because the work is physically hard, risky, and often dangerous. Now, let's proceed to the types of hazards. So, hazards are the situation that can cause danger, injury, and harm. So, in fishery, hazards are grouped into 6 types. We have ergonomic hazard, physical hazard, biological hazard, psychosocial hazard, environmental hazard, and chemical hazard. First, let's discuss ergonomic hazard. Ma'am, what is ergonomic hazard? So, the ergonomic hazard is the science of designing work to fit people and to prevent strain on the body. So, ergonomic hazards are dangerous to the musculoskeletal system, which is the bones, muscle, and joints. So, for example, you are lifting heavy nets and gears, repeated moving, okay, or repeated movements, sorting fish, etc., and standing for long hours. So, the effects here is back pain, muscle strain, and carpal tunnel syndrome. Second is physical hazard. So these are hazards from environment condition or unsafe physical surrounding. For examples in fishery, slips, trips, and falls on the wet surface. Also, extreme heat or cold, loud noises from boat engines, vibration from machinery. So the effects of this hazard is injuries, heat stroke, or permanent hearing loss. Now, let's proceed to biological hazard. So this hazard talks about from living things such as animals, plants, and microorganisms. So, for examples in fishery, we have fish-borne bacteria and viruses, pathogens in water, and bites or stings from marine animals. So, what is the effect? Infections, skin rashes, allergies, and even sickness. Next, we also need to discuss the psychosocial hazard. So these are the hazards that affect your mental health, emotions, and well-being. For example, here in fishery, long working hours, isolation at the sea, pressure to meet quotas or deadlines. So it's draining your mental health. So the effects here is it causes stress, anxiety, and even depression. And then next we need to discuss about the environmental hazard. So these are the hazards from natural forces or environmental conditions. So example in fishery, rough waves, storms, or bad weather. Spill oils and fuels from the sea. Okay? So it affects both accidents, drowning, or even pollution-related risk. Next is chemical hazard. So this hazard is from dangerous substances that may be toxic, flammable, or corrosive. So, for example, we have oils and fuels from both, cleaning solution, chemical used in fish farming, and it affects, okay, the effects of this chemical hazard is poisoning, skin rashes, breathing problems, or worse is cancer. Okay, next is, okay, the summary of this hazard. We have ergonomics, which is the body strain, physical, which is environment injuries, biological, germs, and marine life, psychosocial, stress and mental health, and chemical, a harmful substance. Okay, so all this can be avoided with safety training and protective equipment. Okay, so that is the hazard that face of the fish folk. Now, let's proceed to organic aquaculture. So, this is a sustainable way of raising fish that avoids artificial chemicals and maintain balance with the nature. So, it uses natural feed and clean water, and it also avoids pesticides, antibiotics, and harmful chemicals. It focuses on healthy fish, safe workers, and sustainable practice. Okay, what is the benefits of organic culture? Okay, of course, safer for workers. Okay, less chemical exposure, healthier for consumers, no harmful residue, and better for environment. So it prevents pollution. And of course, sustainable to protect the natural resources in preparation for the future. Okay, what is the connection of organic culture to OSH? So, organic aquaculture reduces chemical hazard, promotes safer and more eco-friendly workplace, and also help balance work safety with environment care. Okay, always remember that OSH is about protecting health and safety in fishery. Hazards may be ergonomic, physical, biological, psychosocial, environmental, or chemical. And organic aquaculture help reduce and creates a safer, healthier industry for now and for the future. And that's all for today, class. Thank you.